All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we got a lot of rain this morning, so we're not working, but we're going to the scrap yard. Gonna haul off all this metal and everything because it was in the way of the shop and everything, the new shop gonna be. So we're gonna haul all this to the scrap yard. I'll let y'all watch and everything. I got some old axles and just a bunch of old lawnmower blades and steel and all that I'm just gonna haul off just to clean up the place around the property and everything. So we're gonna get right at it and head to the scrapyard.
Hear them old hound dogs howling at the moon. Wind coming through the trees sounds like a tune. Whispers in the night telling me to flee. It said, boy, gotta keep moving. You'll be free. Yeah, you'll be free. Starlight dancing with the shadows on the ground. I'm hearing echoes, I can't make a sound. Heart pounding fast like a runaway train. Oh dear Lord, I'm so afraid, 'cause I'm running for my life from the shadows and the night, chasing down the sun or the break of light. Yes, I'm running, I gotta keep moving, can't never look back, 'cause the devil right on my track, right on my track.
Alright, we got that loaded up. Now we're gonna head to the scrap yard. Got my big old helper here beside me. This is my youngest child, Bryson. Say hello to everybody, Bryson.
Hey, everybody.
Yeah. So he's been a big help, man. He works really hard. I hadn't been able to put him in the film here lately or whatever, and finally got him out here. Rainy day, we're not working. Roberto stayed home today, so he's my helper today. We're gonna head to the scrap yard, get this unloaded. So on a rainy day and everything, sometimes, man, it's good to be able to do a little activity around your house. You know, you might not be able to cut grass or anything, but man, you can get a lot of stuff done, man. Whether if it's in the office, you know, doing office work for your business, if it's for some reason my thing said parking assistance. I don't know. This is probably pretty heavy for this Tahoe, but my truck was loaded down with a trailer already from that Bobcat, so I didn't want to unhook it. I know this thing will pull it. It's one of them 6.0 Tahoes, big V8s. So shouldn't be a problem. It ain't that heavy back there. I didn't have a whole lot of scrap. So, but yeah, days like today, man, get everything done. So when you're working in the week or whatever, you already got all your other stuff covered, you know. So today I'll do some scheduling, get that knocked out of the way. I'll do some invoices to some people. I'll, you know, like I'm doing right now, I'm cleaning up around the shop, getting the steel hauled off, getting the junk cleaned up. You know, so I'm always trying to do something, even though we're not working in the business. So make sure that you're doing that. Always stay busy doing something, man. There's always something to do. You know, when people say, oh, I don't have to work as much because I own a business. No. A lot of times you are going to work double what you would at a 9 to 5 or with somebody else. So keep that in mind. We will head to the scrapyard and we'll see y'all when we get there. I'm letting him help film it.
Up, man. You ease up, you'll fall one out of it, probably. Oh!
What's up, guys? Hey, I got a cameraman now. I ain't saw the footage and everything. We're gonna go back home and we're gonna edit it and everything, but he said he kind of did a little bit of zoom in and zoom out, watching that traco operator get all that metal and throw it places and everything. So pretty cool. So yes, like I was saying earlier, guys, maximize your time on a rainy day and everything. Just like today, I'm gonna go haul this scrap off, done. Check it off the list. Next thing I'm gonna do, some office work. I gotta do some invoices, I gotta do some estimates. I'm just trying to get everything done so tomorrow, me and Roberto, we can hammer down and make that money, man. That's what you want. So, if you like this channel, Please like and subscribe. Man, we're trying to get our subscribers built up and everything. I started doing some shorts, so check them out. They've been hitting some pretty good views and everything. So please subscribe, comment, and Bryson wants to say bye to y'all and everything.
Bye, YouTube.
Yeah, and then, hey guys, we really do appreciate it. Thank y'all from Urban Lawn Service for watching us and everything. And y'all have a good day. Peace.